All right, guys, today we're going to talk about tissues, organs, and organ systems, and how tissues work together, or cells work together to form tissues, tissues work together to form organs, organs work together to form organ systems, and organ systems work together to make a whole organism. Multicellular organisms. Cells in multicellular organisms are specialized, having different shapes, sizes, and functions. We have brain cells, blood cells, skin cells, fat cells, muscle cells. All of those particular cells have specific jobs. Cell communication. Cells have to communicate with each other in order to do this job. Cells have special ways of communicating with each other to help make multicellular organisms, can't right now but I will when we're done, function. For example, when you get a cut in your skin, your cells react by sending chemical messengers out to tell other cells your skin needs repair. So you get a cut on your skin. Automatically, your skin cells realize there's a problem. We've had a break, okay? And they start sending these particular cells to start healing that cut as soon as it happens. It makes a certain substance called fibrin, and that fibrin almost makes like a screen pattern on top of that cut. And then the blood cells get trapped in that screen, and that's what starts to form the scab. When you have the scab there, then the new cells can grow underneath that scab, and that scab just kind of helps, kind of like a Band-Aid, if you will, hold that skin together until all of those new skin cells can reproduce and make more to cover up that cut. And because you guys are young, your skin heals way more quickly than someone, old like myself, because your cells are, they're going and reproducing way faster than mine are because you're still growing. Cell communication. Immune cells. So these are the cells that, when you're sick, your immune cells kick in to try to kill whatever that virus is or that bacteria is that's entered your body. They respond to injury and help repair and get rid of bad bacteria. Remember, not all bacteria is bad. Your body actually needs certain types of bacteria, but your immune system kills the bad kind. When you get a cut, why does your mom always say, or your dad, make sure you wash it off? Why do they say that?
Germs.
Yeah, to get rid of all that bacteria that's in that cut. Now, it doesn't get rid of all of it, but you can get rid of a big portion of it, so then that way that bacteria can't get into your bloodstream. That's why the first thing, wash it off. Bad bacteria cells can get through the tear in the skin and get in your body. Fortunately, your immune cells are on this. Sorry, this thing is right in the way. When they get a signal that there's been an accident, they quickly arrive on the scene to help clean up the bacteria. What is one way cells communicate with each other? Send emails? They cannot. Send chemical messages, send radio signals. Anybody? Out loud.
Email?
C. They do not send email. Whoever said that. And there are 4 main types of tissue. This slide is important. You need to know these. 4 types of human tissue: connective, muscle, epithelial, and nervous. So you have certain types of tissue in your body that perform certain jobs. Then there's also plant tissue, which obviously is, just in plants. Connective tissue, you just kind of think about the word there, has a connecting function. It supports and binds other tissues together. Connective tissues serve many other purposes in your body, including storing fat and forming blood cells. We have aerial connective tissue, adipose tissue, and fibrous connective tissue. So think about it. Connective holds stuff together or connects it together. Then you have nervous tissue. It's located in your nervous system, your brain, your nerves, your spinal cord. Nervous tissue is the main component of the nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and then the nerves that branch out from your spinal cord, which regulates and controls body functions. Then you have epithelial tissue. This is the one that I think is the most difficult because it's kind of a weird word and you probably just haven't heard of it before.
I have.
You have? Well, good. Epithelial tissue covers external surfaces and internal cavities and organs. Glands are also composed of epithelial tissue. So internal cavities and organs and glands are also composed of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue helps to protect organisms from microorganisms, injury, and fluid loss. Esophageal epithelial cells, where do you think this was located? Esophageal? In your esophagus. Squamous epithelial cells. Whoops, I don't know why I did that. I guess because I hit that crazy thing. Now I can't get rid of it. And then parotid epithelial cells. We also are going to talk about muscle cells. Obviously, you know muscle cells are used for movement. Food movement through your digestive system and heat production. Skeletal, which obviously are on your bones. Smooth muscle, that is in your organs. And cardiac muscle is only found in your heart. What is the primary function of connective tissue? To support external structures, to support muscles, to connect neurons in the brain, to support and bind other tissue. Anybody?
Support muscles.
D? Nope.
C.
Connective. Did we say it connects neurons in the brain? No. What did we say it did? Holds other things together, supports and connects other things. What type of tissue has three basic forms? Smooth, skeletal, or cardiac? Is that connective, epithelial, muscle, or neurous? Muscle is correct. Which tissue covers external surfaces? Nervous, connective, epithelial, or muscle? Anybody? No, you're not paying any attention to me. Yes. C is correct. And that is all we have to do today. I knew it wouldn't take us long.
What
That
did
part
they
was
say? No.
disgusting.